Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, water signs. Okay, so let's see. Will they reach out ngayong June? Okay, so titingnan natin yung energy ng person. Okay? So again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. Okay, so yeah, alam nyo naman protection from evil eye. Meron din tayo nung love bracelet. Yung ating love bracelet is meron na itong kasamang for money magnet, kasi meron siyang citrine stones. Okay, so meron siyang citrine stones, so hindi lang isa, so it's like 2-in-1. Okay, money and love bracelet. So kung ikaw ay lalaki, kung gusto mo nun, pwede mo naman ilagay sa pouch. Okay, red pouch. And syempre, yung ating granter necklace na made to order, and yung ating cord cutting na padaliin na lang natin. Yung keyword is tagapag-alis ng MALAS. Okay, so let's start the reading, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Oops. Who is this? Who is this person? Who is this? Okay. You're in a break. You're in a break. Oh, so now some of you're now healing from this. Okay, you're now healing. Some of you, pwedeng meron ka na ring iba. Okay? Pwedeng meron ka na ring iba. Sa ngayon. I don't know, bakit inihintay mo pa rin tong taong to na mag-reach out sa'yo, kahit meron ka ng iba. Okay. Pwedeng iniisip mo pa rin kasi siya actually. Pwedeng iniisip mo pa rin siya. So let's see, anong kailangan mong malaman sa situation. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. The Justice. Okay, it's like binabalik sa balanse. Okay, kung anong meron. Yeah. Trying to realign. Okay. Some of you, sa totoo lang, nandun pa rin yung pagmamahal mo dito. Hindi ko yun isasantabi. Totoong nandoon pa rin yung pagmamahal mo, even though meron kang iba na. Some of you, may iba ka na. Pero yung utak mo nandito sa taong to. Could be Libra, Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. You're trying to move on sa pamamagitan ng iba. Ibang connection. Pasensya na. Naubo ako. Let's see. Will they reach out? Oo, ngayong June. Will they reach out ngayong June, water signs? Ooh! The Page of Wands. The Ace of Wands in reverse. The Five of Pentacles. Some of them, they want to hear from you. Yeah, they want to hear from you. The Ace of Wands in reverse. Sa tingin ko, ayaw na lang nitong mag-reach out, kasi nandun yung energy na parang wala rin namang mangyayari Wala rin namang patutunguhan to. So kung siya mag-reach out, kung ikaw daw mag-reach out, water signs, okay lang. Pakinggan kita, babasahin ko yung message mo. Parang ganon. Let's see kung re-reply siya. May chance bang mag-reply kung ikaw ang mag-chat sa kanya, water signs? May chance bang mag-reply? Oh, the Ace of Pentacles. I think, yeah, kaso hindi ito madali or hindi ito mabilis. Okay, masyadong busy na tong taong to sa ngayon. Yeah. Mabagal to. Pwedeng bago pa niya basahin yung message mo, palilipasin muna niya ng ilang araw. Okay? Or kung nabasa naman na niya, pwedeng hindi naman niya agad re-replyan. Okay? Pag ninilay-nilayan niya muna kung ano man yung pwede niyang i-message sa'yo or i-reply. Yes. Some of them, focus na lang din nila is pwedeng career or finances or in general, having new beginning, no? Like, binibigyan niya yung sarili niya ng tawag ito. Yeah, a new beginning. Parang ganun. Kasi ayaw na niya ng ng balik-balik, ng in and out energy, like failure. Ayaw na niya nun. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay? So, mas pipiliin ng taong to stability niya kaysa makipag-connect. I'm so sorry. Ikaw ang magre-reach out. Siyempre, sasabihin nyo, ay hindi po. Eh di hindi. O, diba? Hang on, sandali lang. Okay. So, what else? So, sino pa itong taong ito? Sino pa? Itong inihintay mo na may chance ba na mag-reach out ngayong June? May chance bang mag-reach out itong taong to? So, sino ba to? Water sign. Who is this? The Knight of Pentacles. Yung matigas yung ulo. Guarded. Some of them, ego at pride. Ma-ego at pride. Ma-pride. Yes, the Emperor. So, ma-ego. Some of them, they're busy. They're a boss. Lady boss. Okay? So, they're guarded. Some of them, nandoon yung meron tong gustong ipakita sa'yo or ipaalam sa'yo, no? Na kaya niya without you. Parang may ganyan. Yeah. So, ano bang meron situation? Excuse me. The Three of Cups in reverse. Ooh, the Lovers. There could be third party involved. There could be third party. Some of you, pwedeng itong taong ito is may kakonect na sa ngayon or ikaw. Yeah. Or sabihin nating masyado lang na nagfo-focus itong tao to sa pera niya. Hindi ko alam kung ito ba ay pwedeng may anak na rin. Pwedeng ang focus niya ngayon is anak niya or situation niya sa ngayon. Hindi open to for reconciliation pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Hindi siya open. Will they reach out? Will they reach out? Tingin ko hindi. Oo, napaka matigas to. Matigas ang puso nito eh. Ha? Okay, matigas ang ulo. Yeah. Let's see. Will they reach out? The King of Pentacles, no. No. Busy tong taong to, no. Some of them, meron silang business ng kanya. Excuse me. King of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, the Nine of Wands. They're guarded. They're trying to avoid you. So, for me, hindi sila para mag-reach out. Mas uunahin pa nito kaperahan niya kaysa sa makipag-connect. Okay, sa'yo. The Empress is here in reversed. We have a pair. So, meaning to say, hindi kayo magka-level ngayon. Yeah, they're dropping you. Trying to avoid you. Okay? Trying to distance themselves. No chance of reconciliation this June. No chance of reconnecting. Pinoprotektahan niya yung sarili niya eh. I don't know why. I don't know. Some of them, nandun yung galit. Nandun din yung trust issue ng taong to. Okay? So, I think may pinanguhugutan eh. Kaya to ganito sa ngayon. Anyway, so, yun ang akin nakikita kung sino man to. Pwedeng nanay, tatay. Sabihin natin mayroon na kayong anak. or kung wala man, talagang naging strong lang yung connection nyo nito dati pero hindi naging okay, or sabihin natin nagkaroon ng third party involved, there's this a lot of issue, trust issue, kung ano man, hindi pa rin niya kaya na mag-reach out, hindi pa rin niya kayang mag-connect or reconnect sa'yo ngayong June. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang akin nakikita lang muna. For you water signs, again, please don't forget again to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter na nasa description box below. So again, thank you. Goodbye.